Virus removal using MRT on Windows computer. Windows R, type MRT, press enter, click yes. Malicious software removal tool. Next, quick scan. Pwede rin namang full scan. Next, hintayin natin matapos yung scanning ng full system. Windows 10 or Windows 11 meron yan. Then makikita nyo yung result. Lahat ng infected lalabas din yan. So far wala naman sa computer na gamit ko. Then finish. For more tech tips and shortcuts, don't forget to follow and subscribe.